Hi, I'm Sharon and today I'm sharing with you another one of my favorite recipes, a stir fry, but with a twist. We're making a tempeh stir fry. When you don't know what to cook and just need a quick and yummy meal, this is an easy recipe to pull off. So let's get started. For this stir fry, we are using the Hello Tempeh natural cubes, and the first step is to marinate them. I'm using soy sauce, salt and pepper to marinate these cubes. This marination is going to seep through the tempeh and give a burst of flavor when you bite into it. Let's keep these cubes aside for 10 to 15 minutes now. While the tempeh cubes are marinating, let's mix together some sauces for the stir fry. For the stir fry sauce, we need honey, vinegar, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, and red chilli sauce. Mix this up well. The sauce is ready and the tempeh cubes have been marinating for about 15 minutes now. So let's saute them in a little oil and keep it aside. For today's recipe, if you want to speed up the process, you can use the Sriracha Tempeh Cubes or the Szechuan Chili Tempeh Cubes from Hello Tempeh. You just need to saute these for 8 to 10 minutes and it's ready to be added to your stir fry. And now, all we need to do is to stir fry some vegetables, add the sauteed tempeh cubes to it along with the sauce, and we are done. Heat a little oil first. Add some garlic, ginger and spring onion whites. Next goes in some mixed bell peppers and baby corn. Make sure you cook the vegetables on high flame so that they are cooked through but at the same time retain their crunch. Let's add the tempeh cubes now. Mix this all well and next goes in the sauce mix. Chilli flakes, some roasted peanuts. Mix this all well. Let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So this is a really quick and easy way to put together a flavorful dish. And I know I'm taking care of my family's daily protein and iron intake too. Our tempeh stir fry is ready. You can serve it with a bowl of plain rice, noodles, or just have it as is. It's a perfect blend of nutrition and flavor. So go get your pack of Hello Tempeh Cubes today and let's tempeh.